Croeso a llongyfarchiadau Criw Cymraeg. Croeso to the coolest club in town. The only membership requirement is a love for all things Cymraeg. I'm here to guide you through your mission for the year, and trust me, it's going to be a wild ride. And speaking of wild rides, we're here at Castell Henllys, where the Celts once roamed with their own version of Cymraeg. Your job as a member of Criw Cymraeg is to be a superhero for the Welsh language and culture. First up, you'll be language cheerleaders. You'll be promoting the use of Cymraeg in everyday life, just like the Celts did back in the day. Get ready for some community ninja moves, just like the warriors did when they defended this fort. You'll organise events, activities and workshops that showcase the richness and culture in our Welsh language. As our language ambassadors, you'll be like the Jedi Knights of Cymraeg, channeling the spirits of the Celts who once called these lands their home. Use your Cymraeg as much as possible and use the Force to inspire others. Be proud of your language and culture. Show it in your actions, just like the Celts did with their traditions. Leading your Gwasanaeth Cymraeg Welsh Assembly is like being the conductor of a Welsh orchestra. You set the tone and everyone follows your lead. So, my Criw Cymraeg, leading the Welsh Assembly is your chance to shine as language superheroes. Show off your Welsh patterns, plans, upcoming events, stories as you transform your school into a Welsh wonderland. And here is the extra exciting bit. You'll be playing a vital role in analysing the questionnaire and the results we get. You'll be part of important meetings where we'll discuss the progress of Cymraeg Campus, monitor our initiatives and plan exciting things for the future. In school, you'll be like undercover agents, except everyone knows who you are. Be patient and encouraging. You might even become a mentor, inspiring the next generation of Welsh speakers. Be approachable and open to questions, even the strange ones. Like, if I say Cymraeg 3 times in front of a mirror, will a dragon appear? Smile and nod. Remember, you're not just promoting the Welsh language, you're approachable and open to questions. Be ready to help and educate those that are interested in learning Cymraeg. Our culture in Wales is more exciting than a barrel of monkeys, and you will be the ringmaster of the circus. Your role includes arranging activities around special days such as Dydd Gwyl Dewi Sant, Diwrnod Shwmae, Dydd Sant Estwynwen, and Dydd Music Cymru. Share the wonders of Cymru with everyone. And remember, some Croseo and dancing to some banging Welsh tunes never hurt anyone. So, my fellow Criw Cymraeg, your job is to be the Welsh language superheroes. Embrace this incredible opportunity. You'll make a lasting impact on your school, community and the rest of the world, just like the Celts left their impact on history. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you for joining the Criw Cymraeg. Let's make this year a linguistic and cultural roller coaster for everyone.